Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is Thursday morning, and first of all, if you guys could please click that like button on this video, I'd really appreciate it. If you guys can leave a comment, anything, doesn't matter what it is, it really helps the video out. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please click that subscribe button, turn notifications on. Anyways, today we have a 2010 Chevy Silverado in the shop. This customer had let somebody borrow the truck over the weekend and they got in an accident. Well, after going down the road later on, he realized that it was making a vibration on the front end, so he brought it in, and after diagnosis and a test drive, we discovered that the right hand side axle is shot. So we have a brand new right hand CV axle that's going to go into the right side. And also, when I got back off the test drive, I went to open the door from the inside and I broke the handle right off. I barely touched it, so it must have been kind of like it was made of cast, so I barely touched it. Must have already had been cracked or something, because it came flying off. It's actually right here. You can see that kind of connects like that. Anyways, it busted right off. Couldn't believe it. It's never happened before on this vehicle for me. So I notified the customer right away, and of course it's kind of something he needed to fix, so we did end up getting a repair kit, and luckily it was in stock, so that tells me it's something that happens commonly on these models. They were plastic welded on to the interior door panel, so it actually comes with removal instructions and install instructions on how to install the new door handle. Comes with screws when you go put it back on, but originally they are plastic welded on, but they give you short little screws to go in that hold the new door handle on. So luckily we got a door handle on. Kind of sucked, but stuff happens sometimes. Anyways, we didn't get the axle in yesterday because the customer didn't have his lug key, and I have a series of locking lug keys. I have this one, I have this one, I have this one, and I have this one. I have a whole bunch of locking lug keys, but I did not happen to have this one. And when I get it, I'm gonna hope to find it online, and I'm gonna probably order it. That way we have another one to add to our collection. But anyways, we couldn't get the right side lug nuts off, so the customer actually had the lug key at home, not in his glove box. So please keep your lug key in your vehicle at all times. I know that sometimes shops and dealerships, tire repair shops, they'll accidentally take them or purposely take them, and anyways, that really screws us up when we're here trying to get things rolling. So anyways, not a super big deal. He said he was going to drop it in the key drop box last night, and I checked this morning and there was nothing there, so maybe he had caught my mechanic last night. So when he gets here this morning, I'm going to ask him. So hopefully he has it. If not, this truck's got to go outside because we have a 4Runner that's going to get a clutch. So you know, you got to keep your spot in the food chain. So anyways, we got the Integra out of the booth. We got it back down on its wheels, unmasked. Absolutely beautiful. Just has a little bit of light peel and a couple dust particles that have landed in the clear. But overall, bodywork turned out killer. Paint looks awesome. Coverage looks awesome. I mean, Milano Red never looked so good. So very, very happy. Customers very happy. It's just been kind of letting it kick for a couple days here, and probably later today, if not tomorrow, I'll start doing some wet sanding, and we're gonna try to finish that up next week so we can get it out of here. But looks very good. I was able to get the gas door on carefully. So gas door's on, car's on the ground. It's looking awesome. And Nitro merch, guys. If you guys want merch, please PM me. You can email me. You can leave a comment. You can contact us through our website at nitroautolab.com. Contact us on Facebook, Instagram, and we can make some arrangements to get you some merch. We got t-shirts, hoodies, zip-ups, hats, beanies, dad hats, trucker hats. I got women's tank tops coming, and some more stuff too as well. So if you guys are interested in any of that, please help support us. I appreciate it, and we can make some arrangements. So just contact us pretty much on any platform, and we can make some arrangements to get you some Nitro merch. So it will be live on our website soon for ordering, but as of right now, you can just contact us and we can get you some. And we can drop ship it right to your house. So no need to come in, we can do it all remotely. In the spray booth, we have the 2019 Honda Civic sedan. This is a sport model. This vehicle was in a collision, as you can see in the last video. We do have it in the booth. I got to pick up the paint this morning. I wasn't able to get out yesterday, so I got to go run into town and pick up the paint. It's already ready to go. I went in and matched the color a couple nights ago. Anyways, we got our new fender on. We got it cut in. We got it installed. We got 2 brackets that we had the pop rivet on right here and here. And so we got our fender installed. We got our door handle, exterior door handle out. It did require removing the interior door panel. So even though there was a little access plug on the back side of the door in the door jamb, I was still had to take the door panel off on the inside to get the plug because it has an electronic sensor for unlocking and locking with your hand from the outside. But I got our rear door, or our front door prepped as well. So you're gonna see that I'm probably gonna be masking off this door when I put my epoxy primer on the fender and the bumper cover. It's a new bumper cover. And then once I do that, I'll probably unmask the door and I'm gonna lay my color blender on this door. And then I'll proceed forward with coating this fender. And I'm probably gonna try to keep my blend in the front portion of the door. So I'm gonna probably hide my blend underneath this mirror. So you're gonna see me each coat, I'm gonna step out, but I really don't wanna go past the mirror. You never wanna stop in the middle of a panel. If anything, I'll come a little further back, but there's really no reason to blend the door that much. I think I got a pretty good color, so I'm hoping to be able to hide my color underneath that mirror, cover it in clear, finish out the bumper, and then tomorrow we'll be doing the install on the bumper as well as the adaptive cruise control sensor. We got to make a bracket for that as well, and we'll get everything put back together and get it detailed, and by the end of the day hopefully deliver it to our customer. That's the plan. I know she wanted her car by Friday because she starts a new job. We always do our best to get our customers in and out as fast as possible, but we can only be as fast as our parts, and anyways, we do the best we can. So there's the Milano red. Oh yeah, so the other day, unfortunately, I don't know if you guys remember my snap-on radio. I used it 2 times for about 20 minutes. And the second time, the battery showed about 3/4 full, and then 10 minutes later, the radio was off. And I thought, weird, battery died. So I threw it on the charger for the whole night. Next day, actually, I came back after Arizona, and when I was painting the Integra, I had discovered that the radio was not turning on. So I don't know what happened. Anyway, Snap-on came in on Tuesday. They're sending it back. They're warranting it. No questions asked. Just kind of a bummer that it only lasted. So I'm just gonna cross my fingers that I got a dud. And if the next one fails, then obviously I'm gonna return it. I don't want it, but I hope it doesn't because it was a really cool radio. But anyways, while I was on the truck, I had pre-ordered this a while ago, but it was on special for Black Friday. So I did get me a new die grinder. It's right here, and the reason, I already had one. I have a right angle from Mac Tools, and I also have a straight die grinder from Mac Tools. The difference is I needed another one, that way I didn't have to keep switching back and forth between attachments, because I like using these little grinder bits right here, and I also like having my cutoff wheel. So I really needed a second one to keep set up as just a cutoff wheel, so I didn't have to kill time changing between everything, because I love using these bits. These bits are amazing. So, but I just don't like sacrificing my cutoff wheels when changing it out. So now I have them both set up. I have them all ready to go, and I'm really happy with that purchase. So Snap-on drill It's killer. It's pretty light duty, but it surprisingly it keeps up with some heavy duty stuff too. Obviously, it's not for drilling through thick steel frames or anything like that. It's a fairly light to a medium duty drill. I do love it. This is probably one of my favorite tools by far. It's a brushless mini buffer, but you can also put a grinder disc attachment on the end of it. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. It's just super nice compared to this because you don't have to drag an air hose out. It's not as loud as this. It's not as cold as this as well. And also it just doesn't, you don't have to hear your air compressor kick on and off. So anyways, let me know, guys, if you guys want me to do some more like tool reviews and stuff like that. I got a lot of tools, so I'd love to start showing you guys some. I'm also gonna start I have some ideas for some videos of like showing you guys like top tools in the repair shop and top tools in an auto body shop, must-haves and stuff like that. So anyways, guys, get at me if you want some Nitro merch. Please help support the movement. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't. I think it's up here somewhere, about probably right here, so click that if you haven't subscribed, and we'll see you on the next one.
Ooh, like LeBron, though, or like Bonzo. Ooh, I'm a baller, yeah, shot caller, yeah. They love me, you can't touch me, nah, can't trust me. I'm too lucky.